Find a comfortable seated position, sitting towards the front of your chair or bench, with the spine with natural curves. The next natural inhale, gathering your present moment experience, sensing into the whole body and your energy, your emotions, witnessing what is present. Beginning with an exhale, as the hands descend, feeling for where the sensations are present in your body. Like a body scan, sensing for what your body reveals. All the way to your feet, even though we're remaining upright. With the next inhale, gathering your present moment experience again and noticing any challenging or difficult sensations, emotions, thoughts. And then, as you begin with an exhale, inviting those challenging and difficult sensations, emotions, thoughts to clear from the form of your body, allowing them to liquefy and flow down towards your feet and be absorbed into the earth. Not to push them out, but to invite them. Inhaling once more, gathering fresh, clear, healthy, nourishing energy in your arms. And as you exhale, letting your body fill all the spaces created with this fresh, clear, nourishing energy. All the spaces created in your body by releasing what isn't serving. Allow a breath of freshness to come in instead. Pausing and noticing the effects. And we'll take some joint rotations, so taking one foot onto the other thigh. I'm going to take off my shoe here. Grasping hold of the toes and the ball of the foot and circling through the ankle. Noticing any places where the movement feels stuck. And with loving kindness, attending to those spaces. Switching directions here. Beginning to distribute that clear, fresh, healthy energy throughout the joints of the body. Releasing this, I'm going to work with one leg at a time, clasping your hands behind the thigh, circling through the knee as you lean back. And changing direction. And replacing the foot on the earth. If you took your shoe off like me, replacing your shoe. Noticing any difference between right and left leg. And we're going to take the other leg, beginning with the ankle rotation, so grasping hold of the ball of the foot and circling. With loving kindness, distributing the healthy, fresh energy throughout the joint to nourish, to heal, to lubricate. And change direction. Letting the breath be relaxing and supportive of your practice. And clasping the hands once more behind the thigh, leaning your upper body back and circling through the knee. And circling the other way. And replacing the foot on the earth. And noticing the sensations. We're going to move to the hips now, so circling the pelvis over your hips. Feeling the movement of the pelvis over the hip bones, over the sitting bones. Letting the spine begin to relax. And circling the other direction. If you wish, you can let your head move with you, releasing the neck, even here. Finding the freedom and ease in your spine. Coming back to the center, we'll come to one shoulder, circling the arm. Bringing fresh, healthy, clear energy into the shoulder joint. Changing direction. Maybe sensing into the whole side body on that side. And the spaces between the ribs opening as well. And taking the other shoulder on a circle journey. Going the other way. Listening to the side body, the rib cage. Listening to the breath. And we're going to bring both arms up and circle through the elbows. Working with, in the space that you are comfortable in, you feel easeful in, going the other way. So looking for easy, relaxed comforting, nourishing movement. And then clasping the wrists, maybe bringing the elbows together, maybe keeping them further apart, and circling through the wrist joints. Letting the movement be unrushed, so the number of repetitions is not as important as the quality of your attention and the quality of the movement. Let's switch the direction. And releasing the hands down, we'll come to our neck, letting the chin move towards the chest, and then the nose rise towards the sky. Repeating back and forth, choosing the range of movement that feels comforting and nourishing and relaxing. Coming to the center, offering one ear towards the shoulder, and then exchanging. Remembering you can explore micro movements here, just the very beginnings of the movement. Very rich place that can build great awareness and begin to release some deep held tensions. And if you're quite comfortable with your neck, you can explore some circles. Otherwise, continue tilting your head forward and back and side to side. And switching directions if you're circling the neck. And arriving at the center. I'm going to take the arms cactus shaped. Inhale, look up with your nose towards the sky. Exhale, cross the arms at the wrists, rounding the spine. Inhaling, opening like a flower to the sun in the morning. Exhaling, gathering like a flower might close for the night. Feeling the movement now through the whole spine, from the top of the spine all the way to the base of the tailbone, the tip of the tailbone. Your belly expanding forward, ballooning forward as you open, and then curling back in to primary curve of the spine as you gather in. One more. And from here, returning back to neutral spine, maybe placing one hand on the seat of the chair or bench or rock, lifting the other one, and lean to one side. Press into the palm to rise back up. Exchange the arms. Lean to the other side, then pressing into the opposite palm. Like this, continue opening through the whole side body, feeling and sensing the movement of the spine. Releasing any tensions, any stagnations, returning back to free, fluid spine. Once more to each side. And the next time you come back to the center, we're going to inhale the arms to shoulder height, palms facing the sky. Turn the little fingers just a touch towards the sky to feel the engagement of the arms. And then rotate to look over one shoulder and then the other. Exploring rotational movements in the spine. Remembering to find ease and nourishment and comfort and relaxation in the movement. Listening to the breath, which will help you on your journey. And then releasing the arms down. Coming to stillness. Your hands can rest in your lap. The invitation is to keep the eyes open if you can, with your gaze straight ahead. Sitting with that sense of freedom and ease in your spine. Your sitting bones rooted in your seat. But your spine gracefully flowing towards the crown of your head and towards the sky. Inviting the whole body to relax, even just 0.5% more, while maintaining a sense of aliveness and alertness through the spine. So there's not a collapsing, but a balance between relaxation and activity in the body. Listening to the breath. Being present to the sensations, to the energy, to the space that you're in. And you can stay here in Wuji posture as long as pleases you, as long as you have. And once you feel complete, bringing the palms of your hands to the lower belly, sensing the breath through the palms, settling and storing the energy cultivated in your practice in this Qigong break.